Welcome to the lecture series of boundary value problems. Today we are going to see type 2 problem. Under the type 2 already we have done one problem. So this is the second problem under type 2. Look at the question. Solve the boundary value problem dou square y by dou t square equal to 4 dou square y by dou x square, comma y of 0 comma t equal to y of 10 comma t equal to 0 and y of x comma 0 equal to 0. Dou by dou t of y of x comma 0 equal to 3 sin 2 pi x minus 2 sin 5 pi x. So this is the question. From this question itself we can identify the problem comes under type 2 because initial velocity is given in the question and displacement function is 0. That is the reason why this problem comes under type 2. So type 1 and type 2, all the procedure we know very well. So here in this question, boundary conditions are given directly in the question. And one more thing, the one dimensional wave equation is also given. Look at this wave equation, dou square y by dou t square equal to 4 into dou square y by dou x square. Generally we know the one dimensional wave equation. The wave equation is dou square y by dou t square equal to a square into dou square y by dou x square. So here in the place of a square we are having 4, that means a is equal to 2. And here also the first boundary condition y of 0 comma t equal to 0, y of L comma t equal to 0. So L is equal to 10. So these things we have to note in this problem. So after proceeding all the steps, in the last stage we have to replace a is equal to 2 and L is equal to n to get the final displacement function. So this is the procedure for this problem. So the 1 to 4 boundary conditions given in the question itself. So up to the most general solution, okay, the most general solution, this problem is similar to the previous video lecture. So that link is given in the description box, you can refer that. So from the most general solution itself we are starting here in this problem. So the most general solution, y of x comma t sigma n equal to 1 to infinity Cn sin n pi x by L into sin n pi at by L. So up to this problem is similar to the previous video lecture, so you can refer that. So now we are going to apply the boundary condition 4. This is comes up to boundary condition 3. So after this step we are going to apply the boundary condition 4. So before apply the boundary condition we have to differentiate this equation partially with respect to t. So dou by dou t of y of x comma t equal to sigma n equal to 1 to infinity Cn sin n pi x by L. Here there is no t, so this term will come as it is. Differentiation of sin is cos, so cos n pi at by L into what? Into n pi a by L, because derivative with respect to t. Okay, so we can call this as equation number 6. Because the previous numbers and all, it will come under the previous video lecture, that is why here I am writing equation number 6. So now we are going to apply the boundary condition 4. Apply boundary condition 4 in equation 6. So what is our boundary condition 4? Dou by dou t of y of x comma 0, that means what? T equal to 0. So we have to put t equal to 0 in this equation. So on the left hand side, dou by dou t y of x comma 0 equal to sigma n equal to 1 to infinity Cn sin n pi x by L. There is no t. Okay, so this term will come as it is. When t equal to 0, cos 0 value is 1. So 1 into n pi a by L equal to g of x. Okay, where g of x is equal to, what is g of x? 3, it's given in the question, 3 sin 2 pi x minus 2 sin 5 pi x. That is what given in the question, g of x. So now we are going to, so from this we can get, which implies sigma n equal to 1 to infinity Cn sin n pi x by L into n pi a by L equal to g of x. What is g of x? 3 sin 2 pi x minus 2 sin 5 pi x. Okay, so this is what we are getting. Now we can give values for n, that is here in the right hand side we have sin 2 pi x and here we are having sin 5 pi x. So when you are having the left hand side is general case, that is sigma n equal to 1 to infinity. So here also we are giving values for n. When you are giving n is equal to 1, we can get sin pi x by L, and n equal to 2 we can get sin 2 pi x by L, like that. So after giving the values for n, we are going to compare the coefficient, equating the like terms on the both sides. So we have to find out sin 2 pi x and sin 5 pi x coefficients in the left hand side, so that we can easily equating the like coefficients on both sides. So here we are going to give values for n. So when n is equal to 1 and n is equal to 2, like that we are going to give the values. So first n is equal to 1, so C1 sin pi x by L into pi a by L. So this is the first term. Likewise, we are going to give values up to where? Up to C50, see, in between, plus etc. plus C20 sin 20 pi x by L into 20 pi a by L, again plus etc. plus C50 sin 50 pi x by L into 50 pi a by L. It will go plus etc., which is equal to 3 sin 2 pi x minus 2 sin 5 pi x. You know why we are giving the values like this means, here we know very well that in the boundary condition it's given in the question y of, look at the boundary condition, y of 10 comma t, that means what? L is equal to what? L is equal to 10. So when you are substituting L is equal to 10 here, what will happen? Here we can get 10 and here also 10 and here also 10 and here also 10. So we can cancel this, then only we can get here 2 pi x and here we can get 5 pi x. Then only we can equate the like terms on both sides. That is the reason why we are going for up to C20 and C50. Okay, and there is no need of the terms about sin pi x and etc., because there is no terms in the right hand side. So that values automatically will become as 0. So we can get only answer for C20 and C50. Okay, so now we are going to put L is equal to 10 in the above equation. So put L is equal to 10. So what will happen? C1 sin pi x by 10 pi a by 10 plus etc. plus C20 sin 20 pi x by 10 into 20 pi a by 10 plus etc. plus C50 sin 50 pi x by 10 into 50 pi a by 10 plus etc., which is equal to 3 sin 2 pi x minus 2 sin 5 pi x. Now we can cancel this 10 2 times, here also 10 2 times, and here it is 5 and here also it is 5. So now we can get sin 2 pi x and here we can get sin 5 pi x. After this only we are equating like coefficients on both sides, we can get the answer. Equating like coefficients on both sides. Okay, so the left hand side we can get, look at this, sin 2 pi x, and here also sin 2 pi x. So in the right hand side we are getting 3. Here we can get C20 2 pi a. Likewise for the sin 5 pi x we can get C50 5 pi a equal to minus 2. So only these two terms we can get. So equating the like terms on the both sides, we can get C20 2 pi a equal to 3. So we need the value only for C20. So C20 equal to 3 by 2 pi a. Okay, so in the wave equation, it is given in the question, the wave equation is dou square y by dou t square equal to 4. That means what? A square equal to 4. That means a equal to what? A equal to 2. Okay, so we can substitute here a value also. So put a is equal to 2. So C20 equal to 3 by 2 pi into 2, that is 3 by 4 pi. Therefore C20 equal to 3 by 4 pi. One value is over. Same manner we can find the next one. What is the next one? C50. Okay, so the next term is C50 5 pi a equal to, right hand side is minus 2. So we need the value for only C50. So minus 2 by 5 pi a, and a is equal to 2. So minus 2 by 5 pi into 2, we can cancel these two. Therefore C50 equal to minus 1 by 5 pi. So now we got the answer for C20 and C50. What about the remaining values? The remaining values are 0. That means the remaining values of C's are 0. Okay, so that values we don't need not to find that values. So we can get only C20 and C50. So okay, fine. Now we got the answer. What we have to do? We have to substitute these values in the general solution. That is our y of x comma t. Substitute C20 comma C50 in y of x comma t. Okay. Therefore y of x comma t equal to 3 by 4 pi sin 20 pi x by L into sin 20 pi at by L. Then C50, that is 1 by 5 pi sin 50 pi x by L into sin 50 pi at by L. Okay, so what we are going to do? We have to replace a is equal to 2 and L is equal to 10. Okay, therefore our required displacement function y of x comma t equal to 3 by 4 pi into sin, when you are substituting L is equal to 10, we can get 2 pi x. So sin 2 pi x into, here it is sin, here also L is 10 and a is equal to 2. So 40 by 10, so 4 pi a. So 4 pi t minus 1 by 5 pi into sin 5 pi x, because L is 10 and here also L is 10 and a is 2. So we can get sin 10 pi t. Okay, so this is the required displacement function after substituting the values of a and L. Thank you for watching.